Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix IMO Scan QR code not working on Android. When you open the IMO software, when we need to scan QR code, the various problem appear on your screen. Our QR code doesn't work properly. You can solve all this problem very easily. Hope you watch the video completely. First, open the Play Store, then search IMO. Click IMO app. If you get any update, please update. Then click Settings. Click Apps. Click App Management. Find IMO app. Click IMO app. Then click Permission. Allow all permission. Now I will show you my QR code scanner working properly. As you can see, my problem is solved. If you like the video, please share with your friends. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.